Welcome to Puerto Morelos, the beautiful little seaside town in the Riviera Maya. As you drive in, it's a long palm-lined street, separated from the mainland by a huge mangrove area. It's full of friendly locals to help you get around and suggest ways to spend your days, and my favorite thing about Puerto Morelos, it has 5 ice cream shops. San Jose Parish Church can be found right in the middle of town on Town Square, which has just been beautifully renovated and looks even better at night. There's plenty of dining out options, from street-side dining through to dig your toes in the sand enjoying seafood on the beach. There's lots of veggie options to be found around town, and near Town Square and the ocean front you'll find more fine dining options like La Serena. A lot of hotels have their own private beaches, and if you're looking for something a little more permanent, local real estates can set you up in villas or rentals until you find your own place to buy. There's plenty of places to stay. The good thing about Puerto Morelos is all streets lead straight to the beach. Activities like sport fishing or swimming with whale sharks are just some of the activities available. Along the Malecon on the waterfront is the perfect place to wind down the day, enjoy a Caribbean sunset, or visit Puerto Morelos' most iconic feature, the leaning lighthouse, Faro Inclinado.